What is the difference between us and other places? Where is the democracy? It's gone. If this is true. Now the Election Commission is supposed to make sure that elections take place. We have shown, the team has shown without any doubt that they have not done their job in one seat in Karnataka. And the people of that Lok Sabha have had their elections stolen. We believe that this has happened in many seats. Now, the Election Commission has to give us that information. Give the people of India that information. Because if they don't, there are going to be consequences. There are going to be consequences for every single polling officer who's doing this. Doesn't matter how senior you are, how junior you are. One day, the opposition is going to come to power, and then you see what we do to you. Because you are attacking the foundation of what our freedom fathers built. And we're not going to allow you to attack the foundation of what they built, no matter who you are.
Rahul Gautam, India Today.
Mr. Gandhi, you've been raising voter list manipulation first in Maharashtra, now in Karnataka. You've got figures also. I want to understand, where does electronic voting machines stand in the scheme of things? Are they also part of this elite subversion or rigging?
See, I'm not going to go into conjecture. There is something called voter addition. We have only shown voter addition. There is also something called voter subtraction. We know that it is almost of the same scale, but we haven't got the data to assess that, so we're not talking about it. There is also something called voter suppression, right? So here we are talking about something that we have bulletproof proof. This is their data, right? So I don't want to get into the other possible places it's taking place. I am telling you that this election was lost because of simply this manipulation of the voter list. And we suspect there are many more like this.
Sanjay Mishra, Dainik Jagran.
राहुल जी, इलेक्शन कमीशन का अप्रोच रहा है कि कई दशकों से देखा गया है कि जब राजनीतिक पार्टियां अपनी चिंता सवाल चुनाव को लेकर उठाती हैं, चुनाव में अनियमितता को लेकर उठाती हैं, तो चुनाव आयोग उसको एड्रेस करता रहा है. अब एड्रेस करने की जगह वो अटैक कर रहा. जब आप सवाल उठाते हैं तो आप पे काउंटर अटैक होता है, rather than addressing it.
नहीं, see, notice one thing. They don't attack me. They're very scared to attack me. They've not taken any action against me because they know that I'm talking the truth here. तो वो बोलते हैं, right? But मेरे ऊपर अटैक नहीं कर रहे हैं. क्योंकि अगर मेरे ऊपर अटैक करते, there'd be criminal procedure, everything on me. None of that is happening because they know it's true. They know this is bulletproof. They know.
Shireen, CNN Network 18.
Sir, two responses have come from Election Commission while you're doing this press conference. One is that the Karnataka CEO has said that, will you say all this under oath? Will you be signing the oath and say this? Secondly, they have been saying...
I'm a politician. Okay? What I say to the people is my word. Right? I'm saying it publicly to everybody. Take it as an oath. This is their data, and we are displaying their data. This is not our data. This is Election Commission data. It's interestingly, they haven't denied the information. They haven't said what the voter lists that Rahul Gandhi is talking about are wrong. They're saying, will you do it under oath? Why don't you say they're wrong? Because you know the truth. And you know that we know that you've done this across the country.
No, but just one question, please. Mohit Dubey.
Thank you. राहुल जी, आपने जो अभी सवाल उठाया है बड़ा गंभीर सवाल है, लोकतंत्र से जुड़ा हुआ सवाल है। आपने एक बड़ी बात ये कही है कि 25 सीटें का हेर फेर है, अगर नहीं तो सरकार इंडिया गठबंधन की बनती। मेरा सवाल आपसे ये है कि क्या मौजूदा वक्त, क्योंकि आपने हरियाणा की भी बात की और आपने महाराष्ट्र की भी बात की, तो क्या राहुल जी ये माना जाए कि मौजूदा वक्त में जो केंद्र की सरकार है वो चोरी की सरकार है?
देखिए, इलेक्शन कमीशन, if they were on this side of the equation, they would say, let us check. राहुल गांधी क्या बोल रहे हैं, चेक करते हैं। शायद एक सीट में प्रॉब्लम है, but they are not saying that. They are saying Rahul Gandhi has to swear on oath. Right? So my point is that ये 25 में हुआ, 50 में हुआ, 100 में हुआ, हमें नहीं मालूम। हमें यह मालूम है 100% कि मॉडल यह है। इस मॉडल को देश में रेप्लिकेट आसानी से किया जा सकता है, बहुत आसानी से। अगर इलेक्शन कमीशन बीजेपी की पूरी मदद कर रहा है, यह 2 मिनट का काम है, यह 5 मिनट भी नहीं लगेंगे। राइट? तो नाउ द बॉल इज इन द इलेक्शन कमीशंस कोर्ट। गिव अस द डेटा। उन्होंने यह क्यों नहीं बोला कि हम इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डेटा दे रहे हैं राहुल गांधी को, हम सीसीटीवी फुटेज दे रहे हैं राहुल गांधी को? वो क्यों नहीं बोला?
Hello, sir. My question is, beyond electoral institutional reforms, what plans does Congress have to ensure that vulnerable sections of the society, especially minorities, Dalits, and of course the migrant workers, are aware of their rights and can verify or restore their voter status easily as a party?
Yeah, this is the entire purpose of this press conference, that we are bringing to the nation crystal clear proof that the only thing that poor people in this country, the only power poor people in this country have, is being stolen from them right in front of their face. Right? That's what we're doing. We've been doing it now for some time.
कुमार विक्रांत।
राहुल जी, 2 बातें बार बार चर्चा का विषय बनती हैं। एक तो ये बार बार बीजेपी की ओर से, चुनाव आयोग की ओर से कहा जाता है कि जब कांग्रेस या विपक्ष चुनाव जीत जाता है तब वो कहता है कि इसमें गड़बड़ी है, धांधली है। सर, 1 मिनट पूरा कर लेंगे। और जब हार जाते हैं तब वो ये बात कहने लगते हैं, जीत जाते हैं तब कुछ नहीं कहते हैं। और दूसरी बात ये, क्या इसका इलाज वोटिंग मशीन की जगह दोबारा बैलेट पर लौटने से हो पाएगा?
जब तक, एक बात आपको क्लियरली समझनी होगी, जब तक इलेक्शन कमीशन कॉम्प्रोमाइज्ड है, जब तक वोटर लिस्ट कॉम्प्रोमाइज्ड है, तब तक ना ईवीएम से कुछ होगा ना मैन्युअली होगा। इलेक्शन कमीशन अगर नॉन कॉम्प्रोमाइज्ड है और मैन्युअली किया जाए, हो सकता है। बट यहां तो अंपायर ही मतलब दूसरी टीम का है। तो आप वोटर लिस्ट लगाइए, आप मैन्युअली कीजिए, ईवीएम कीजिए, उससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा। मैं आपको दिखाया 1 लाख फेक वोटर एक असेंबली में। आपका दूसरा सवाल क्या था?
जीत जाते हैं तब कांग्रेस कुछ नहीं बोलती है, हार जाता है तो
देखिए, ये स्ट्रेटेजिकली किया जाता है। हमने मॉडल दिखाया है। मॉडल को आप जहां यूज करना चाहते हो वहां कर सकते हो। सिंपल सी बात है। तो नैरेटिव तो बनाना पड़ता है ना। पॉइंट ये नहीं है कि बीजेपी जीत रही है, कांग्रेस हार रही है। पॉइंट है कि हियर देयर इज क्लियर प्रूफ, 100% proof that elections are rigged in India. Not 99%, 100%. So whether who is winning, who's losing, that's a separate question. We are saying that there is the integrity of the election system in India is gone. This, what has happened in Mahadevapura, is the destruction of democracy, and there are the groups of people who are doing it.